Hey, beautiful babes. Sweet Angel here. We're doing a collective nail supply haul today, so come on in, come on in. So will you looky here? I got these off of Amazon. These are some mats that you'll see when I'm doing my nails. I got two of them, one in black and one in this pink and silver. And they have, it's kind of like glitter and little rhinestones on there. They look like they would be rough, but they're really not really rough. This one is a little bit more rougher than this one is. And you know, it doesn't come off on your hand or anything, so that is awesome. Love them, love them. So you'll be seeing these in kind of like the background of my nail tutorials and when I'm doing my nails. So, and they don't slide. That's what I love. I was using paper towels and towels, and they would just slide, but these are like on here and won't shuffle around, so I love that. So let's just keep them in the background, and let me show you the little resin plate I got. Now when I'm mixing nail polishes, this is what I'll be using this for. So cute, double-sided in a little turquoise blue with a gold trim. Very cute, and I needed this so bad. I have been using different things, but of course I can just wipe off this and that works perfectly. Next I got this from EC Basket, the multifunctional nail glue gel. Now this I'm very interested in using. It's multifunctional nail glue, so it can be used as a base coat to do gel nail preparation, used as nail glue to stick fake nails on, and used as a slip solution to apply polygel smoothly. So you do need UV lamp or LED lamp for curing. This is awesome. And again, Amazon. That is so nice. Let me just open the package up here. So it's a nice size bottle. Actually it is. So this will last a pretty good while. I just got one of them because I wasn't really sure, how long or how well it's going to work for me. I did not get two of them, so this is it there. And something I've been wanting forever is this big diamond here. Like when you do your nail tutorials or you finish your nails, oh my gosh, I love it when they hold this big diamond in the hands, and this is mine. I love it so much. It is heavy too. It is very, very weighty, so you can do like that and show off those gorgeous nails. I love it. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Yeah, nice. There you go, Instagram. Love it. And a few surprises that were gifted to me from Double Dip. I do have a nail dip powder kit here from them. I'm excited to tear into that. You will be seeing a tutorial on this one in the next few days because I'm getting ready to do my nails now, and I will expose everything in there. And it is of course a dip powder kit. And from Double Dip as well, I do have the Bellavina Dallas Polygel Kit. Y'all, look at this thing. Hold on. Woohoo! Look at what you get. All of this good stuff here. I can't wait to get into this. It even includes a nail lamp. Oh my gosh. I'm super excited and ready to tear into it as well. So stay tuned here on the channel for the upcoming goodies. Thanks so much for popping in. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and keep those hands looking gorgeous. Bye.